Hi guys, I'm Farrah Brittany with the agency, and today I'm super excited to show you one of my favorite properties, 1622 Viewmont, aka Bodie 1. So this property is 5 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, almost 9,000 square feet, and just under 1 acre of land. Of course, you're surrounded by panoramic views all around you on this promontory where you're floating above LA. I cannot wait to show it to you today, so come on inside and take a look. When you follow the flow of the open floor plan, the space opens up and greets you with multiple living spaces. A unique feature about this living room is the steel mobile art piece designed by Michael Mueller. And the statement piece of this living room is the two-way fireplace. Got Italian marble with leather inlay. It is gorgeous. As we make our way to the living room, lounge, and bar area, you really start to notice the amazing use of different textures and materials. It really brings that added warmth factor to the property. So from the silk wall coverings to the smoky black mirrors in the bar, you can imagine serving up martinis to your guests while they swoon over the vistas. If martinis aren't your style, look no further than the dining room, where you've got a 480 bottle, room temperature controlled wine storage. When it's wine o'clock, there's no better place than to gather around this dining room table, enjoy a glass of wine, make a toast, and admire the Los Angeles skyline. Remember when it was neat and cool just to even have one kitchen island? Well, now we actually have 2. So this is the working island, where you do all your cooking. We've got a Miele induction burner and a hidden exhaust fan. Everything is clean and seamless. Speaking of clean lines, the appliances are discreetly camouflaged within this beautiful black glass wall for a touch of elegance and practicality. Over here we have our sitting island. Made of slab granite with mica Spanish countertops. It's perfect for your friends and family to sit and chat at. My favorite features are the open window, which lets the breeze and the sunlight in, and these hydraulic cabinets. Meals in this kitchen can also be served al fresco in the adjacent garden dining area. Outside, you can dine overlooking the west side of the hills, or simply sit and enjoy the art and fire features. The master suite is all about the moods. You've got a serene sanctuary built with the indoor-outdoor experience in mind. Pull back the glass wall and enjoy a lovely lazy breeze. And don't forget to take a nap under this custom accent wall. I'm so excited that we're finally getting to my favorite part of the home, the master bathroom. This Hollywood Regency-inspired bathroom is nothing short of spectacular. Everything is symmetrical, drawing your eyes to a freestanding tub with a rejuvenating backdrop. And the most striking and unique features of this room are the Italian blue quartz stone, as well as the 1942 antique chandelier from Paris. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed touring this home as much as I did showing it to you. Catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?